We're going to talk about the demineralizer filter, which is right here. It's a very critical item to the operation of your chamber for humidity. So it takes tap water and is able to take the minerals out of it that can be detrimental to the steam generator. And so you need to look at this every so often and make sure that everything still looks good with it. And there's a color change that occurs when it is expired. And so right now it's empty, but when you fill it with water, it'll start to have a blue color to it. And then as it starts to wear out, it'll actually start turning a rust color, kind of a tan color. And there's a line located at the bottom of it that tells you it's time to change it, that it's all done and expired. To replace it, it's rather easy. You just undo it down here and it just comes right out and you put the new one in.